बेईमान लोगों ने दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेल दिया।
The political tension in Delhi continues to escalate, with AAP facing a fresh barrage of accusations from the BJP.
आप आपदा बनकर दिल्ली पर टूट पड़ी है।
A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi dubbed AAP an Aapada for the city, the BJP has stepped up its attack, focusing on the financial mismanagement under Delhi's AAP government.
Financially, Delhi was considered as one of the most efficient and prominent state. आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार को यह सत्ता मिली तो दिल्ली प्रॉफिट का बजट हुआ करता था। यह वर्ष 2024-25 पहला वर्ष होने जा रहा है जब दिल्ली घाटे की तरफ बढ़ रहा है।
There were also protests outside the former Chief Minister's house today. A group of women from Punjab gathered outside his residence, accusing him of not fulfilling his promises.
इलेक्शन आता है, एक नया वादा हमारे सामने आ जाता है, लेकिन मिलता हम लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं है।
लेकिन आज आप यहाँ पर क्यों पहुँची हैं? मतलब इसका प्रोटेस्ट
लोगों को वादा किया गया 1000 रुपए का, 3 साल से हम लोगों को तो मिला नहीं है। आप दिल्ली में बोल रहे 2100 रुपए देंगे, पहले हमारा तो दे दो।
Kejriwal said the protests were politically motivated.
वो इन्हीं की महिलाएं हैं, पंजाब की महिलाएं नहीं है, पंजाब की सारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ हैं। उनको आम आदमी पार्टी पे भरोसा है।
एक शीश महल बनाया।
Adding to the controversy, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has intensified the attack on Kejriwal. The BJP claims Kejriwal spent 45 crore rupees of public money to refurbish what they have dubbed his Sheesh Mahal.
मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपने क्या किया, इसका जरा हिसाब दिल्ली वासियों को दीजिएगा।
Shah's attack comes a day after the Prime Minister said he too could have built a Sheesh Mahal for himself, but he chose to build homes for the poor.
BJP promised everything. BJP didn't do anything. So BJP has no moral authority to question Arvind Kejriwal. Prime Minister comes and gives such slogans. And every time these slogans were picked up by BJP and they campaigned throughout the elections on the basis of these slogans. However, if you look at all the 3 elections in Delhi, 2015, 2020 and this 2025, Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal has fought their elections on the basis of the work they have done.
The war of words between Prime Minister Modi and Kejriwal is intensifying as both parties gear up for elections. The political landscape in Delhi is becoming a battleground, with new posters appearing every day.
With the Delhi elections just around the corner, the city's future financial health and political direction remains hotly contested. Now, one thing is clear is that the coming weeks is going to see fierce campaigning, more protests and continued allegations between both parties as they both gear up for the political battle. With camera person Prem Singh, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.